Hello guys, this is Hard Reset, and if your rides in Uber aren't showing, map isn't loading, or can't request a driver, do this. Restart your application. Then check permissions. Allow something if it's needed. Then check your internet connection, and if it's good, try to reinstall the application. Uninstall and then install it again. Open it, and if the previous settings didn't help you, you might need to restart your phone. Just turn it off, then turn it on, and it should help you. Thank you so much, follow us, and see ya!